make sure their coop is all good. We're supposed to get some bad hail this evening, tonight during the night. So I'm just gonna go around, make sure it's all secure and make sure it's all good. I'll check for some eggs. So check for eggs with me. None in this part for right now. Well, she's laying, so I gotta make sure she's not laying on any because we don't want... Oh, there's 2 of them in there. I'll come back later. Yep, we got another little broody one. Okay, I'll come back with my egg basket and get some eggs. Oh, I think she wants to lay in on that egg too. We got that one and then the one over there. I think she's got some broody hens. But we're not in the market to hatch the eggs. We just want to eat them. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, we got another one. Excuse me. Out. We got another little broody hen over there. I wonder how many eggs she's laying on. And then we got that cute little one over there going back in. Just making sure there are places that they can go to for when it hails. Look at that. They're so cute. Good job, Autumn. Hi, Brownie.